Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today is all about tempeh. And what the heck is tempeh? Well, tempeh is processed from a mature soybean. You're probably familiar with other soy products such as edamame, soy sauce, soy milk, along with tempeh and tofu, all harvested or produced just a little differently. You'll typically find tempeh packaged similarly to this. This is the whole food brand. If you do nothing else, read the labels. Only buy non-GMO. Tempeh has been enjoyed for hundreds of years in Indonesia. How is it made, you ask? Well, first it starts with a whole soybean. Then it is partially cooked. It goes through a fermentation process and it is pressed into cake. Tempeh is naturally cholesterol-free, protein-packed, heart-healthy, yummy, full of goodness. Okay, so let's get cooking. We're gonna make tempeh brisket. Ready for Meatless Monday, Tuesday, any day? We're gonna start off with our gluten-free tempeh. Now on to the barbecue sauce. 2.5 cups of vegan broth, 1 cup red wine, 1/2 cup of tamari, which is soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon blackstrap molasses, 1/4 cup of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon each of paprika and turmeric. If you really want to make this easy, use 2.5 cups of broth with your favorite vegan barbecue sauce. That is simple. Have your tempeh in a 9x9 casserole dish. Place it in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes, flip it, and cook for an additional 30 minutes. Take it out, slice, enjoy this vegan gluten-free tempeh brisket anytime. I hope this video was not only informative, but inspiring, giving you creative juices to try all kinds of new recipes using tempeh. Please share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment and tell me how you made it your own. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye.